Hey guys, and today I'm just going to be showing you some stuff. I'm going to show you that. Please join my group. I've got 25 members. I'd like more, please. And let's see. And I would really appreciate if you just sub to me and really and join my group. So you're probably thinking, why haven't I been recording in a month? Only because I've been Only because I've been a little busy and stuff. And well, I never had the time to record. So that's why I'm coming back with a recording today. See, I'm playing some piggy from, if you guys remember from my first piggy video, you would know that it's called playing piggy. It's up in my channel. You can do that. I'm playing this for fun. You can do map and piggy. On the safe place if you haven't played it. I haven't beat it yet. That's why I'm going to play it, really. No, our battle still is going on. I'm going to play a safe place. Let's see, what mode shall I be? Let's try bot. I'm going to be doing a showcasing later today, maybe. I have no idea if I quit it or not. I'm just going to see. So stay tuned for that. And let's get into this. Come on, wake up, Noah, sister. We need to get out of here. What was that sound? What's going on? I don't like that to know what that sound was, but I don't want to stick around for it to find out. George's name is now Georgie. Mean to switch it up to the copyright. He didn't do copyright on this game. Me and the server sucks. That's probably because I'm already recording. Hey Ralphie, you have anything I can borrow in here from you? For some item? No? I will be playing Among Us on my iPad later when I'm recording some other time. And I will show you it. I'll show you gameplay of me just showing it on iPad. Hi, George. Oh, it's stupid fire extinguisher's always in there. Makes this map a little more complicated. Oh, is this a scene where you get to go where you get the transmission to Old Oak? A blue key. Okay. See, where is the blue door? Pretty sure it's up this stairs. These stairs. That's red. Where's blue? Probably a different time, though. Man, the server's real lag. I don't get these some servers lagging all the time. I really don't. Sick of the lag. I'm trying to find where the stupid blue door is. I'm sorry that I'm a little tired and my weekend has not been good. I'm tired. Nothing has been going well. I'm sorry if I'm being a little grumpy while I'm recording. Because I haven't gotten that good of sleep. My brother Isaac woke me up this morning. Now I can't really concentrate what the heck I'm doing anymore. I was just AFK. For instance, I can't find the dumb staircase anymore. But in here? The heck is it? Oh, wait, what's that? I'm not needing that right now. Why does the server have to lag so hard? That's new. I haven't seen Pony talk in this map. Must messed up a little bit of stuff Maintain sent out. They were asking me is this. Hi George. Oh, I just set the hammer down. I'm gonna have to grab it myself. I'll grab the hammer. Oh, hi! I didn't see you there earlier, buddy. Your, you started talking as soon as somebody did something, I'm guessing. But the person who's playing as a player hasn't even found anyone like yet. Right there. I'm gonna sneak through here. I'll remember where I am now. Through the fire. Ha! The heck? It's not in there. That's odd. What's somewhat the focused ones in the server? Hey, what's that? A green key? I'm not gonna bother. Elmo, I'm pretty sure they unlocked the door. Why does she need a blowtorch, anyways? Let's see. Have you gotten any keys yet? I'm really wanting to escape. You got that. What do I need now? All we need is the white key, I guess. And we need to use your blowtorch. And the player is nowhere to be seen, I'm pretty sure. I've never been to the red door quite yet. I'm trying to see if I can get the red key. Maybe I was near the elevator. Yes. I'm sure she got the red key. I don't need this, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure I just need it. Oh yeah, I've been in here. I've seen it, I'm pretty sure. Oh, Maintune's good with clearing the glitches. I haven't done glitch for this map in a while. End of recording now, guys. Bye.